Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, people, welcome back to Triple Play Saturday Round 2. Jackie, I know you're loving it. Now, I got a simple watch face for you, everyday watch face. For those of you all who are not going to go out and rip up the town, you're not going to be dressing up super casual, this watch face is going to be for you. Okay, now the name of the watch face is called Accessory Gears Black Free. It's a free watch face, people, on top of everything else. I like the look, I like the design. This is the third version of this one, so you've probably seen this before, but again, it's free, and free is always good. Now, in AOD mode, you're gonna get a very unique look so far as the always on display is concerned. But when the watch face is on, if you look up at the top, you're gonna get a nice digital time, you're gonna get your month, you're gonna get battery info, you're gonna get the day of the week. And I like the thing that's going on in the background. It's not a bad look at all. So you're gonna be able to get your gallery. Let's go through them all. Email, you can make a phone call. Of course, it's got my favorite, my music, contacts. So you got everything that you can ever want and need in this watch face right at your fingertips. And if I double tap to the top, you can customize the color of this watch face, which I thought was pretty cool considering that it's free. Anything that has functions and it's free is good. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Continue to enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you all at Triple Play Saturday Round 3.